Welcome to our guide on updating your eBay account. Let's ensure your profile stays up to date. First, log into your eBay account. Navigate to Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, look for the Personal Information section. Click on it to access your name and address. Here, you'll see your current name and address. Click Edit to make changes. After editing, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save to finalize your updates. And that's it. Your updated name and address are now reflected on eBay. Happy shopping! Remember, keeping your information updated helps prevent delivery issues. Visit eBay frequently for updates, ensuring your account reflects your current details. Thanks for watching. For more tips, subscribe to our channel. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or need assistance. Keep your eBay experience enjoyable by maintaining an accurate profile. See you next time as we explore more eBay tips.